going on, everyone? So we have to talk about Zora. As you guys know, yesterday Zora was listed on Robinhood. I made a video about it. Zora was at 7 cents. It kept going and now we are at 10 cents. Guys, I started talking about Zora a long time ago and I've been tracking this thing for a pretty long time and it's been hitting our levels to a T. You know, we've been getting a lot of this right. Okay, so we predicted this. We knew we were inside of a falling wedge here. We knew it was going to break out here at the end, and now we are going to the top, guys. So we're going to talk about where I think this thing is going to go next. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice, but let's get straight into it. So as you guys can see, we are currently up still 42% inside the last 24 hours on Zora, 84% in the last 7 days, and 78% in the last 14 days, with the last 30 days of gains being at 53.9%, guys. So that's pretty good. The trading volume still pretty high at 626 million, still higher than the market cap, which is at 465 million. So Zora is still doing fairly well, you know, and it has been pulling back a little bit. So look at this. So looking at the charts here, guys, we went all the way up here to the resistance of 12 cents. We mentioned this inside the video that this resistance was going to be strong resistance for us because it was strong resistance for us in the past. And remember, this is also the all-time high, close to the all-time high of Zora. The all-time high of Zora is at 14 cents, guys. It's at 14 cents. So that is definitely good. We're actually close to our all-time high here. So yeah, anyone that stuck around with Zora to the end, congratulations to you guys, because this thing is going to continue to go a little bit higher here. So the MACD that we see here on the 4-hour chart, it's pretty much showing us that we have a lot of buying pressure, right? It could easily switch to selling pressure, which we kind of already seen some selling. We've seen it pull back a little bit. So be very cautious. The %R trend exhaustion shows us that this thing is over exhausted to the upside. Obviously, it can go up even more and it can be even more overbought. But remember, when things pump this much, you kind of want to take a little bit of a step back. OK, so currently, when we look at the MACD on the hourly chart, we notice the buying pressure is getting smaller. We're having less buying. This is a sign that a pullback is coming soon, guys. And we hit a major resistance. Not only that, when we look at the %R trend exhaustion on the hourly chart, we can see we had two sell signals here. The first overbought sell signal was this one here with that red bar. The second overbought sell signal was here. Now there's a possibility that we can do a third overbought sell signal and keep pumping even higher. And if we continue to pump even higher, it's going to end up bringing that price back up to 12 cents. And we might be creating new all-time highs. But this momentum is slowing down, guys. So if you guys are thinking about buying right now, me personally, I will not buy at this price. I actually missed the pump, guys, because I was busy trading like fuzzy penguins and stuff. But look, I was tracking it and at least you guys made some money. Okay, at least you guys made some money off the gems. But I'm telling you right now, I'm not buying at these heights. If I were hypothetically to buy, I would be buying around 8 cents. I'd let it pull back some more. I wouldn't want to buy around the 10 cent area, especially because a lot of the whole crypto market's down. I mean, if you look at all the cryptos here on the side, everything's down. Trump just said something stupid. Look, if Trump does something stupid or says something, he didn't say something stupid. Let's not do that. Okay, let's not do that. Trump pretty much said that the Chinese are upping tariffs on us, and they messaged all of our partners with some, with some crazy tariff stuff, trying to put tariffs on them. So Trump said that he's going to push back on that. So it wasn't really stupid. It's political stuff. It's political stuff. It wasn't really stupid. It was just him responding to the Chinese, which was bad news for the market, enough to send all stocks down. Stocks are doing terrible and it sucks. But look, we got stocks down a lot. AMD down a lot. Meta, everything's down. As you can see, all this red here is a red C right now inside the stock market. So a lot of discounted prices here on the stock market. I just picked up some more Lyft. I think Lyft is going to do good. But anyways, this video is not about stocks, but I just wanted to show you guys that everything is down. So there's a possibility that even though Zora has extremely good news right now, there's a possibility that Zora does not pump. there's a possibility that Zora doesn't continue to pump. Okay. There's also the possibility that it does. And look, there could be a third round of lower buying pressure, right? There could be a third round of lower buying pressure, but that still means that there's a little bit more buying pressure before the downside. And that's what I'm saying. We could possibly push a little bit back to 12 cents or possibly to the previous all-time high of 14 cents and breaking out of it just a little bit and then pulling back. But either way, we're going to get a pullback. So I'm personally not comfortable with buying at these levels. I would want to see it do some pumping first and then pull back to like 8 cents or 6 cents. And then I would want to get in. But that's just me personally. But anyways, this is all I got for you guys today. This was just a short update. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Hit the like button and subscribe. All that good stuff. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think about this. And go ahead and become a member of the channel, guys. It's only $9.99. And I'm going to go over 5 cryptos for each of you. 5 cryptos. And I'm probably going to even go over more. I'll go over 10 if you guys are loyal supporters. I'll go over as many projects as you want. Just give me the project. Let me know when you want me to go over it. Let's say you want me to go over Zora, but you want it once per week. I got you guys. You want me to do it on a certain day because you're off that day and you can actually watch the charts. Let me know. Become a member and I got you guys. But yeah, this is all I got for you guys today. As always, I'll be back with another video.